The Tennessee Attorney General has filed a lawsuit against a Texas law firm accused of targeting grieving families at a Chattanooga funeral home. Well, that funeral home has now caught the attention of the Tennessee Department of Funeral Directors. Good evening. I'm Calvin Sneed.
And I'm Kim Chapman. News Channel 9's Stephanie Sanastasi joins us now and tells us which local funeral home is mentioned in the suit. Stephanie.
Kim, Calvin, that lawsuit filed by Tennessee's Attorney General says the Witherspoon Law Group from Texas made unlawful contact with families of victims in the Woodmore bus crash. The AG's office says it happened at Taylor Funeral Home while those grieving families were making funeral and burial arrangements.
Your child won't be buried unless you sign a contract with these attorneys. That's the claim laid out by the Tennessee Attorney General against the Texas law firm Witherspoon Law Group. This lawsuit says those same attorneys also offered to pay funeral costs at Taylor Funeral Home in exchange for their services. We stopped by Taylor Funeral Home today, but the owner told us to call back later. The state's Department of Funeral Directors and Embalmers won't say if they're investigating this situation. Their only comment, the lawsuit caught our attention. It also caught the attention of other funeral homes in Chattanooga. Bradley Wilkie is the managing partner at Lane Funeral Home.
I don't give out any type of information unless the family has given it out for themselves.
Right now, it's not clear if Taylor Funeral Home did anything wrong. The suit says they presented employees of the law firm to the families.
It's kind of shocking, especially because of, the HIPAA laws and stuff like that, the release of information.
Wilkie tells us that he's never had a firm come to him and asked to work with his funeral home. The only time he would work with someone other than the family?
If they're like a conservatorship or something like that, working for the family, or if there is somebody that doesn't have family and stuff, there's attorneys that are appointed to handle, or conservators that are able to handle, the disposition of somebody.
We called the Texas law firm and emailed them today for a comment. They still haven't gotten back to us. We also stopped by Taylor Funeral Home today to ask them about the accusations in that lawsuit. They told us to call back later today. We did, and they haven't gotten back to us. Calvin.
Thanks, Stephanie. The attorneys for Zoe Nash's family released a statement on their behalf. It says the family is hopeful the Attorney General's lawsuit will give notice to predatory law firms that their outrageous conduct will not be tolerated in Tennessee.